my beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a simple and easy and delicious and tasty desserts, and it's pumpkin cheesecake. I have all of my ingredients here. What you're going to need is cream cheese, soft cream cheese, room temperature eggs. I have my pumpkin puree. I'm going to add in sour cream, whipping cream, sugar. I have my Benjamin vanilla extract here, and I have all my spices. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. Okay? So first, I'm going to add in my cream cheese, and I'm also going to add in the sugar. So next I'm going to add in the pumpkin puree. Okay guys, I have these graham crumbs, what I brought from the food store. I'm lazy today. If you're not lazy like me today and you want to make your graham crumb from scratch, I will put the ingredients in the description box below. Okay? But today I'm a little bit lazy, so I am going with the ready-made one today. Alright? And I just bake it for 250 degrees for at least 8 minutes. Okay? Okay, my beautiful people, look at this beautiful pumpkin cheesecake. Oh my goodness, I just cannot wait to slice this cake. But first, I am going to let it cool, okay, and then I let it chill for at least 1 hour. Okay, so see you back in few hours to slice this cheesecake.